This is Euclid Book 7, proposition number 14. And I'm going to give you this little diagram. I'll move it from left to right. You'll definitely have to take notes for this one. Alright, let's go through it. If there be as many numbers as we please, and others equal to them in multitude, which taken 2 and 2 are in the same ratio, they will also be in the same ratio x equali. Now if you're scratching your head at this point, don't. We're going to get into this. Let there be as many numbers as we please, A, B, and C. Well, here's your A, here's your B, here's your C. Now in this case, we're going to say A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. And others equal to them in multitude, D, E, and F. Well, here's D, here's E, here's F. In this case, we're going to say that D is 4, E is 8, and F is 12. Okay. Which taken 2 and 2 are in the same ratio, so that as A is to B, so as D is to E. Well, I think you can agree, as 1 is to 2, so as 4 is to 8. Why? Because 2 is twice as large as 1, and 8 is twice as large as 4. Okay. As B is to C, so as E is to F. Well, B to C is a 2/3 ratio, okay? So as 2 is to 3, so as 8 is to 12. Okay? Basically, if you wanted to say 2 parts apple and 3 parts orange, you could say and 8 parts apple and 12 parts orange type thing. I say that x equali, as A is to C, so also is D to F. Okay? For since as A is to B, so is D to E, therefore alternately as A is to D, so as B is to E. Okay? Now, as A is to D, as 1 is to 4, so is B to E. As 2 is to 8. Well, isn't 2/8 equal to 1/4? Go ahead, reduce the fraction down. You'll see that I'm telling the truth. 2/8, 1/4. And this is by Euclid Book 7, proposition number 13. Again, since as B is to C, so as E is to F, therefore, alternately, as B is to E, so is C to F. Alright? Well, as 2 is to 8, so is 3 to 12. Well, 2/8, of course, is 1/4. 3/12, of course, is 1/4. And this is by Euclid Book 7, proposition number 13. But as B is to E, so is A to D. Okay? As B is to E, which is 2 is to 8, so is 1 is to 4. Therefore also, as A is to D, so is C to F. Well, as A, which is 1, as 1 is to 4, so is 3 to 12. We've already proven that's true. Therefore, alternately, as A is to C, so is D to F. Okay. Well, as 1 is to 3, so is 4 is to 12. Okay. Well, is it 1/3 equal to 4/12? Of course it is. And that's the whole proof. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.